Hi, welcome to the Magic Touch. We're going to go over the Insta Swing Away Heat Press and why we recommend using it with our products. So a big part of the Insta is, like I said, that it's a swing away, so it swings to the side. That makes it really important if you're doing thick materials, like if you're decorating acrylics or wood, because it opens up to 2 inches thick. You're able to adjust the height and the pressure on it so that you're able to get even pressure on every square inch of the heat press. It's not a clamshell that comes down at an angle and is designed to do t-shirts. So if you do anything thicker than a shirt, you're going to need a swing away. Swing aways also get 3 times as much pressure than a clamshell. And that's really important for the washability of a shirt, because with laser transfers, it's toner-based, dry powder that has to get melted and then actually pressed into the fibers. That's what's going to make it washable. It's not sitting on top of the shirt like a lot of iron-on traditional transfers. So you get 3 times as much pressure. We need about 80 or 90 psi to get a good transfer, and a lot of clamshell presses can only get about 60 or 70 with the way that they're engineered. You're able to get the real heavy pressure from a swing away. So the Insta presses are a digital heat press. So if you look here, all of your temperatures and times are able to be set digitally. You can set the temperature by adjusting, by holding down the set button and hitting up or down. By time, you hit mode, hold down set, and you can adjust the time, up or down. So when it closes, it automatically starts going, and a buzzer will go off when it's done. You have to lift the press. Insta presses also have the best recovery time on the market. Now, the recovery time on a heat press is the amount of time that it takes for the heating element to get back to the original temperature, because no matter what heat press you have, it's going to start losing temperature once you close it. The Instas are never going to move within 2 degrees. So if you've ever seen on a heat press, if you're doing a production run that is swinging up and down in temperature, that's going to give you a varied range of temperature, and you're not going to get consistent results. Also, the heating element on the platen is a ribbed heating element. It's not a spiral heating element, so the fact that it's ribbed is going to give every square inch of this platen exact even temperature. So having even temperature, pressure, and time is really important for doing laser toner transfers. In terms of using the Magic Touch paper, we can only guarantee 10 for 10 results with an Insta swing away. Our main product is selling the paper, but we've gotten the best results out of the Instas. We have had some issues with other presses in the past with consistency, so let's say if you had to make 10 shirts, it might take you 15, 20 tries to get 10 good ones. But the fact that you have the even temperature, time, and pressure, and the really quick recovery time on this press, we can guarantee 10 for 10 results, and most of our best customers use the Insta press with the Oki printer. We've had other customers use different presses, but all of our instructions are based off the Insta, so it might take some playing around with your press to get it to work, but in terms of our tech support and us guaranteeing results, the Insta is your best bet.